Today's topic is perspectives in communication. So the contents of this topic are introduction of perspective in communication, visual perception, language, other factors affecting our perspective like past experience, prejudice, feelings and environment. Perspectives in communication. Perspective is the way of thinking about something, especially one that is influenced by the beliefs or experiences. A communication perspective focuses on the way in which our shared meanings and practices are done through language and symbols, construction of message, etc. So, perspective is the way of thinking about something which will be influenced by your beliefs and experience. So the way we believe or we are having some experience about a situation or our environment, we make the perspective of our things like that only. Now, perception. Our physical limitations are a screen through which we perceive things that exist in our environment. Our perception is also limited by psychological screens that we have developed. Choosing from among the many things within our range of perception, those that we will notice and block out, rest is called selective perception. So our physical limitation are a screen through which we perceive things that exist in our environment. So whatever physical limitations we are having, that becomes our visualization about the things we see which is there in the surroundings. Okay, so some psychological barriers are also there through which we limit our perception about the things. Okay, so that limited things or range through which we see the thing is called selective perception. Visual perception. Whatever we see through the vision or eyes, we make the thinking or feeling about that is called visual perception. It is the process of using vision to acquire information about surroundings or situation. Visual perception is the ability to see, organize and interpret one's environment or situation. Now, language. Language is the primary function through which we express our emotions or convey the information. The different perspective we experience can be with language as well as that depends upon tone. Right? So language is also the way through which we express our emotion and convey the information. Right? Now the different perspective we experience can be with language also. Like when you are happy, your tone of voice will be very soft, you will sound very cheerful, but when you are sad your volume will be low and you will speak less. So that is the perspective we are having. When a person is happy, then we through the perception we can imagine that the person is happy, or if the person's tone is low, then we can say that the person is sad. Other factors affecting our perspective like past experience, prejudice, feelings and environment. The very first one is past experience. Through past experience we also make the image or perception about the things and take the decision accordingly. Now prejudice is occurs when we take our past experience to our present situation. Whatever we have experienced in the past, when we take that experience in our present situation, that is called prejudice. Next is feelings. It can influence your communication with another person as it fluctuates and affects communication. Now feelings changes according to your environment or according to the person you are communicating. So it is also the perception through about that person and the environment in which you are talking to that person. Environment, communication is different in different environment. How and where you are, what is going on, who else is present may impact the way that you communicate, right? So communication also depends upon the environment, like where you are communicating, how you are communicating, what is going on, who else is present may change the way of your communication with the person, right? So these are the perspectives in communication through which we can show our feelings, we can share our information with each other, right? So the assignment is given at the end of this presentation. Go through the presentation and then do the assignment. Thank you.